This is a circle shot with the DJI Mavic 2 Pro at Berryhill High School in Berryhill, Oklahoma. I started out doing a circle shot fairly close to the ground and pulled out of it, but I don't believe I cleared the location because it skipped back and forth between the two boxes that I had drawn green squares around to originally track. I thought I could just do a new one and start it all over again, but I hadn't taken action to clear the old one. Has this happened to you? Do you know why this is? Let me know something in the comments down below. Thank you for your time. Now here, check this out again. Once again, this is a circle shot with a DJI drone, and it's working off of 2 points. I was not aware that you could do this. But anyway, thank you guys for taking the time to watch this. And if you have some mad science as to how this can happen, let me know down below. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you later.